Welcome to QuickBites, public speaking tips and techniques you can digest in 5 minutes or less. Here's your host, Peter George.
Recently, a client and I were discussing how you can change the entire meaning of a sentence simply by choosing which word or words you emphasize. Some people call this hitting or punching a word. Every so often, you'll hear a speaker emphasize the wrong word, resulting in a line that's as harmless as seeming out of place to as damaging as changing the meaning of what they're saying. In this short episode, you'll hear an exercise that not only illustrates how this works, but also one you can use to practice hitting the appropriate words so you can accurately convey your intended meaning. In this exercise, there's one sentence repeated 7 times. Each time I say it, you'll hear me emphasize a different word, giving the sentence a completely different meaning. The sentence is, I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. Here we go. Listen to how the meaning changes. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. I didn't say he stole the money from the bank. Did you hear the difference? Did you hear how the meaning changed? When you're speaking, be sure to emphasize the appropriate words so your listeners instantly and accurately understand the intent of what you're saying.
Thank you for devouring another episode of QuickBites. Tune in Monday when you'll hear another episode of Public Speaking with Peter George, and again Thursday for your next episode of QuickBites. Until then, remember, when it comes to speaking in public, you've got this.